on a new adventure. On a new adventure.
G'day guys, I'm Jordan.
I'm Brooke.
And together we are JB Touring. Welcome back to another episode. Today we are finally getting the big 200 out for its first trip. We're heading north. We're going to go do a little bit of a waterfall circuit, a couple of lookouts, making the most of the Labor Day weekend. So yeah, the weather's looking a bit average. It was bloody brilliant yesterday and Saturday, but anyway, let's get out there. Let's hope the weather holds off and we can have a look at some waterfalls. So we'll see you out there. Alrighty guys, we made it to our first little stop here in at Liverpool Creek.
Yeah.
Nice little rest stop out the front, couple of people in caravans and stuff. Beautiful little creek. If it wasn't running so hard, probably jump in for a quick dip, but yeah, definitely recommend this one if you're passing through the area. Great, like I said, great little rest stop and yeah, good spot to swim, so come check it out.
And the little man's having a ball.
Little man is loving it, having an absolute fat time. Don't you, mate? Yeah. Alright guys, we'll keep going, we'll head to the next little spot.
Yeah.
So we've just stopped in here at Metacrit Falls. Behind me you can see the big suspension bridge, and across the bridge is Currajah Park. Pretty specky behind us.
Yeah, good, what a spot. Not bad, little bloke, loved being up there on that little suspension bridge.
And now he's cruising.
Now he's having a sleep again. What a life, eh? Alrighty guys, pulled into another one here. I'm not sure if you can hear us. Pretty bloody loud, big falls behind us here. We're in at Curcuit Falls. Pretty good little spot here. All to ourselves and an absolute ripper little waterfall. Haven't really figured it out yet, but there is a nice big waterhole down the bottom, so we might go for a look, see if we can get down there as well. But quickly get the drone up, have a bit of a look and see what we can find. Alrighty guys, that'll probably wrap us up for today's episode. Just a quick little day of exploring with the little bloke. He's having a fat time, as you can see, having a big sleep. So we'll probably call it here. We're up at, what is it, Currajah? I think we've pronounced it right. Look out. Nice little spot right on the side of the highway. Can't complain. Not a bad way to end the day. Head home and get this little bloke some food. And we'll see you on the next adventure, guys. Don't forget, if you like this video, to like and subscribe. It helps us out a lot, and you'll find us on all our socials at JB Touring. Alrighty guys, have a good one. We'll catch you on the next one. Cheers, eh?
On a new adventure.